What's up, traders? No trades today. Gonna just jump right into this. The only trade that we would have probably even taken today if we had shares available was this INO, and in the Discord, link in the description below, we actually had quite a few people, so I did my best to kind of try to talk through why I would have taken this trade, as well as the entries that I would have most likely have had. And the first jiggle we felt, if we scroll in a little bit, you'll see I marked this previous resistance from pre-market yesterday, and we started to feel that little bit of a jiggle right here. You can see it actually did come down a little bit. 1143 was the top. It came all the way down, not all the way down, but it came down to 1133. So our first entry was here at 1137 when we felt that jiggle, like it felt like it was the top. We had a nice extension away from previous resistance above the whole dollar, and it decided it wasn't done yet. So it kept going, got through that 1150 area, felt another bit of resistance there at 1160. We ended up getting a second entry there, so 1-1, and then we said we were going to take our 2 on the next jiggle before 12, and this was right. We felt the jiggle. It actually stayed up there for a few seconds, and yeah, so we ended up getting a 2 entry there, put our average right around 1166. And when it came down, I said I would have taken some off at the 1150 area. And I remember it got to like 1153, 52, something like that. And then it actually shot all the way back up here towards high of day and got rejected yet again, came all the way back down, and we took the rest on the flush through 1150. So obviously this is not real. You can see over here in my positions that there is nothing there. It's because we didn't have any shares on this thing. As you can see, when we click here, symbol is not shortable. Obviously the S is not there, so a little frustrating because there really wasn't anything to look at, but this was really the only trade that we would have taken. And if you have any questions or comments on this possible trade, feel free to leave those down below. Join the Discord. We had quite a few people in there. It was nice. We were getting a nice little conversation going. Of course, it was on like the worst day possible, because there was absolutely nothing to trade. So there was things to trade. We just didn't have shares available here on CMEG, so a little frustrating, but it is what it is. And take note, by the way, came right down to that previous resistance from pre-market yesterday, and look what happened. Bounced right off of it. So always something there, guys. There's always something said about that previous resistance. There's a reason I look at it, love the extension away from it, and usually comes back and tests it. It's always good. So like and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate the support. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and hopefully we have a better day tomorrow. Peace.